Have you heard of omnichannel marketing? Today, we'll explore what it is and whether B2B companies can use it. Simply put, it's a marketing strategy that delivers a seamless and consistent experience across all channels. According to Harvard Business Review, it's a must-have for retailers. But what about B2B companies? Yes, it's possible, and it's becoming more prevalent. Let's look at some examples. HubSpot is a great example. They use a combination of email, social media, and chatbots to provide a seamless experience for their customers. Salesforce is another great example. They use a combination of online and offline channels to engage with their customers. Other B2B companies that have developed omnichannel strategies include IBM, Adobe, and Cisco. It's clear that omnichannel is not just for B2C companies. So, in conclusion, omnichannel is a strategy that B2B companies can and should adopt. It's about delivering a seamless experience for your customers, no matter the channel.